Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add payment method to your Google account. So we're going to head over Google or google.com. If you're going to be on the desktop or on the mobile version, open up Google or google.com. You need to only sign in into your account, as you can see it like that, and click on the favicon of it. Now, once you have did that, you're going to see this menu. This is going to be for the mobile version and also the desktop version. Click on manage your Google account, just like that, and you're going to see the dashboard of this. Now, what are we going to do? On the left side of the screen, you're going to see the items or the menu tabs that you can go ahead and access. From them, the last one is going to be payments and subscriptions. We're going to click on it and then we're going to see the payment methods, payments info, purchases, and the account storage, and also the subscriptions, reservations, and etc. So these are going to be here, including all the payment features that you're going to have. So we are going to add a payment method by clicking on the Manage Payment Methods. Click on here, and you're going to see the Google Pay will appear right there. So this is the Google Pay. Basically, if you're going to add a payment method or a digital card, it is going to be considered as a Google payment method. So it is going to go directly to your Google Pay. So you're going to click on Add Payment Method, and then you're going to add the information about your card, the expiry date, the CVC, and also the card holder and a billing address. After that, you're going to click on Save, and it is going to be added just right there. You're going to find it right here. I'm going to let you see here the screen, which is going to be in here. You're going to have at least the four last digits of the payment method in here, and then you're going to have it as a payment method for all of the payments that you're going to have or you are going to put into the Google account, like the let's say here Google Drive, the Spaces, also the premium features that you're going to find into the Google accounts. That was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.